Hi guys, Ready Set RC, and today we are out with the ECX Torment, my son's ECX Torment over here, with the Arrma Kraton V3 over here. The V3 now has some minor upgrades. I've ran this, but just not on video. It has the M2C braces on here. It has the Voltage Hobby servo mount, metal servo mount on here as well. You know, I've ran it, did some testing on it. It handles well. On the ECX Torment, for those guys that want to know, we've had this on the channel before, but this is now running the Pro Line short course monster body. It has the Ghoul RC setup in here. We're running this on 3S. We're running this over here on 6S. Not really trying to compete the two against each other, just my son coming out and having some fun with me while I'm out here bashing. Really hot today, guys, so we're not going to run it too long. It's pushing 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and I know it's going to get up there on the motor and everything else, guys, so we're not going to push it too long, but we're going to get out here and enjoy it. Enjoy the video, guys. This thing is a monster, guys, a straight monster. Oh! 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 Better off standing right here so you can see it. I want to get high, so high. Oh! Yep, you guys didn't know it. Ready Set RC, we've gone big now. There you go, now. There you go.
Yes. And the battery flew out again.
That's it. I think that's the same kind of fall I did the last time. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. We did something. All right, guys. That was a short bash, but as I said, it's really hot out today, and I'm going to shut it down. Plus, I think the Kraton, I got to get those jumps better, but still, those jumps are epic. I'm probably hitting the highest I've ever hit on this channel ever with that ramp over there, guys. That ramp is insane. It's holding up well. I would actually say the ramp probably is 2-0. Kraton and the ECX Torment, they lost on this one. That ramp is epic, guys. You can get some really good jumps on it. Today we had some carnage on the Kraton. Nothing major, just the drive shaft bent on it. Also came out of the out drive. Nothing serious, guys. You know, that's one of the things. And the front bumper is all twisted up. I'm just gonna order up a T-Bone Racing front bumper and we should be good. The other thing that we did have, and this was just kept on doing, and we're gonna replace the rod end on there, was that rod end just kept on popping out, but I know the fix for that. That's not gonna be anything. Actually, I know the fix for all of these, so it's not gonna be anything major. Chassis is extremely straight, as you guys can see. So even with all those poundings I was doing, chassis straight, guys. No issues with the chassis whatsoever. As I said, it's extremely hot. Otherwise, I would just throw in another one of these drive shafts on here and keep rolling. But you know what? We're gonna shut it down here. We're gonna call it a day with the Arrma Kraton. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram for our latest posts to the channel. This is Ready Set RC signing out. Thanks again, guys.